Nagaland State, especially Dimapur Commercial District, safety measures iman kumti hoi jagena public concern hoi thaka report 15 of June Sunday din amikhan laga sister from Chakasan tribe Punibra Dimapur airport ponchi jagena Kohima ulai jabo karni auto mati gena jai thaka damti driver aro ko accompany dujon bra to all that direction new lane side loi jagena running condition te molestation kri dishe koina report pailu ase. Western Tetsumi Welfare Union Dimapur Condemnation Press Registry accused Tuli Adiraj Prasad alas Mogavij Momisan of Nandal Prasad of Khedho village under Dansipar subdivision will be currently Vihoko Bosti settle Kugina Thaka Kudiasa Aro Hatsa Opoti Western Chakasan Hoho through condemnation note Logina Jonai Thaka Sabti victim Makituli by flight Punibra Dimapur Airport around 1 p.m. in Katamte Ponchi Jagina Dimapur taxi stand Ponchai Bole Mata Tuli auto driver aro passenger accompany Kugina Thaka Dijon Bratu New Lane Road Logina on running tea Ikiloko Jai Thaka accused Motabratu Hat Chwa Sur Kudisha aro sexual abuse Kritaka Miti victim Makibratu auto driver ke Ruki Jabole request Kudisha Lipi Narukina Polai Thaka issue tea victim Makibratu Nijor protect Kulobole Karni auto running bra jam krit lushe koina khobor dia ase aro iman dangor jokum pagina thaka damti aha ja kri thaka khan bra pai jagina rescue kri lusha aro CIHSR ponchai digina currently victim makitu under treatment jasa aro aha ja kri thaka manu khan bra auto driver aro accused passenger thori loigina shoba police outpost hanover kri lushe ko dia ase